Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. This hiring is for batch 2023, 2024 and 2025 passed out. If you are BE, B.Tech or Masters in Computers, then this opportunity is for you. So let me deep dive into all the eligibility skills required and how to apply everything. So if you are liking our content, please do support us, like, share, subscribe to our channel. So let's get into the video now. MEDPlUS is hiring for Trainee Software Engineer freshers role. The CTC is around 6 LPA plus 2 lakhs bonus. This 2 lakhs bonus will be given to you once you completed the 2 years agreement. Let me also discuss that. So the basic eligibility is that any BE, B.Tech, ME, M.Tech, BCA, MCA qualification with good analytics and coding skills, and the year of graduation must be 2023, 2024 and 2025. And also selected candidates should be joined by 6th March 2025. Please don't please make a note that you must be joined the MEDPlUS. If you qualify, then you need to join by 6th May 2025. So these are the basic eligibility criteria. So coming to the skills they want is you must be have the knowledge of core computer science concepts like data structure, algorithm, database or operating systems. And also you must be familiarity with programming either Java or Python. And also you must be familiarity with web development using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, that is basic front end development. And also you must be good at logical reasoning skills, and also you must be desired to learn different technologies at a rapid pace. These are the basic skills required that particular role. The application process is the date of return test will be at 20th April 2025. So if you want to apply, please you must click this apply now button and you can proceed with the registration of, and then based on the applicants received, because they are open up to 50 positions as you can see here. So based on the received applications, then the shortlisting process will be done, and then they will be send you the written test email once if you are shortlisted to via email or SMS by 15th April 2025. So shortlisted candidates should download the hall ticket from the website. You can see here once the hall ticket is ready, then you can see here the download hall ticket button is enabled. You can download there. And to gain access to examination value, the candidate must bring a printout of the hall ticket. So you must be carry this hall ticket to the examination venue. So you need to be entered in that. And also candidates needs to bring any one photo ID proof, that is either Aadhaar, PAN card, driving license. And also based on the performance in the exam, selected wise listed candidates will be notified via email attend to the second round, that is second round is technical HR round. And also they will also send the regret emails if you're not shortlisted. So this is basic process that. And then what is the rounds, like what are the rounds you will have in the examination, they're also given that. The round one is written test, that is for 90 minutes. These written test is segregated into two sections. Section 1 is multiple choice questions and also some fill in the blanks type questions. As you can see here, there will be comparison of general aptitude, logical, numerical ability or core computer science programming concepts like bitwise operator, operating system concepts, data structure, string manipulations, oops, basics of databases, SQL and basics of web technologies. All the as what are the I mentioned in skills required, all this will be coming under the written test with aptitude test. And the section 2 is about coding test, that they'll give two problems where you need to solve those problems with a code, or a pseudocodes need to be written, so you must be execute the code. So after there will be a certain cutoff criteria for section A and section B individually to be eligible for the interview. So if your cutoff is met, then they will send you the other mail that you are passed to the round 2, that technical and HR assessment will be there. Once after you shortlisted, then they'll notify through via emails or calls. So the exam venue for round 1 is at Hyderabad, ST Teresa Secondary School. Address is near Erragadda, that is Metro Pillar number 980. Entry to ST Teresa Hospital Arc and Erragadda, Hyderabad, Telangana 5 lakh 18. You can also just click here to navigate the location. And also the compensation details are 6 lakhs per annum plus 2 lakhs bonus. As you can see here, there is a 2 years agreement for this company. Once you complete this 2 years, then they will give this 2 lakh bonus at the time of completion after 2 years. So please note that your package is around 6 LP and the work location is Madhapur, Hyderabad. This doesn't encourage work from home, so this is a full-time opportunity from work from office only. So if you want to apply this, just click this apply now button. They are mentioning an alert that you can't apply multiple times. Just click proceed, and you can enter all these details accordingly. So this is a easy process. Just you can click the submit button. This is all about this MEDPlUS Trainee Software Engineer role. If you have any doubts while applying, or any CTC matter, or any test pattern, if you want any updates regarding this, let me know in the comment section. I'll clear your doubts. So 2023, 2024, 2025 passed out. Please do not miss this opportunity. I hope you'll apply. I'll share the link in the description. Go check out. Thank you.